Good evening, students. Welcome back to English class. So, previous class I was teaching blanks, right? So, choose the alternatives that best fit each blank. In that, I have explained three blanks. Now, I'm going to explain fourth one. Okay? All of you open your workbook, page number 62. Page number 62, English workbook. Come on, fast. Everyone, open it. Yeah, have you seen the fourth one? Young Ravindranath. Fourth blank. Young Ravindra dash under the K of the family servants of the family servants. So here option Griever, Getter, Get on. So here there are three options given here. Look at here. Young Ravindra dash under the care of the family servants. Griever or get up or get on. So what is the correct answer here? Griever. Okay. So Griever is the correct answer. Okay, right. Next one. Fifth blank. Tagore's dash H Shantiniketan proved to be a great success. So here blank experiment practical or application. So which is the correct answer here? Can anyone? Tagore's dash at Shantiniketan proved to be a great success. Experiment or practical or application. What is the correct answer? Rizwan, Sana, Nirma, Bhavani. One. What is that? Experiment. Okay, very good. So this is experiment. Experiment at Shantiniketan to be great success. Next one. Rabindranath built dash institution Sriniketan to work for village uplift. Here, another other the other. Here, three options are there. Rabindranath built dash an institution dedicated to work for village uplift. What is the answer? Another or other? The other. What is the correct answer? So here also, first one, another. So another institutions indicator to work for village uplift. Okay. Okay. Shall I write the first one? Everyone should send answers. Only one or two students are sending. What is that? Seventh one. Tagore introduced two sensational, seasonal dash two seasonal dash Vriksharopana Vriksharopana and Halakarshan and Halakarshan at Shantiniketan and Sriniketan and Sriniketan. Okay. So here options are festival, function, festival, function, celebration. So these are the clues given here: festival, function, or celebrations. So what is the correct answer here? Festivals. Here, Tagore introduced two seasonal festivals, Vriksharopana and Halakarshana at Shantiniketan and Sriniketan. So those are the festivals. Okay. So answer is here festivals. The tree planting ceremony. The tree planting ceremony initiated by Tagore is is now an all India festival actively dashed by the central and state government. State government. Here options are sponsored, sponsored, telecasted, produced. So these are the options. What is the correct answer here? The bridge landing ceremony initiated by Tagore's now an all-Indian festival actively dashed by the central and state governments. So what is the answer here? Again, first one, sponsored. Okay, actively sponsored by the central government. Sponsored by the central government. Okay. Now shall I write? Next one. The two makers, the two makers, the two makers of modern India modern India Gandhi and Tagore Gandhi and Tagore were drawn to dash each other each one. Okay. So what is the answer here? This is also one. Each other. Drawn to each other. Each other. Okay. Next one. Tagore dash more than 1,000 songs. More than 1,000 songs. Here composed assembled or designed. So what is the answer here? Tagore dash more than 1,000 songs. What he did, he composed. He composed more than 1,000 songs. He composed more than 1,000 songs. Okay, right. So after that, we have verb forms. We have to change the verb forms. Okay. If you complete this, I'll erase and start the next bit. Completed, mom? Have you completed? Text me whether you have completed or not. Come on, fast, students. Satvik, what are you doing? Satvik, sit properly and listen the class. Don't run here and there. Okay. So next bit, write the other tense form for the following verbs. Write the other tense form. Write the other tense form. Tense form for the following verbs. Okay. Look at here. Present tense. Present tense. Past tense. Past participle. Okay. These are the three forms given here. So we have to change these forms. First, right. First one, right. What is the past form of right? Past form of right. Can anyone past? What is the past form of right? Sana is sitting. Teacher is not asking me like that. Huh? Very good, Satvik. It's wrote. Okay. What is the past participle form of the right? Written. Very good. Again, Satvik. Written. Written. The next word, sad. Past participle form given, we have to write present form as well as past form. So what is that sad given? Can you say what is the present form of sad? Yes, very good. It's sit. Past form, sad. Okay. Next word, fitted. Fitted. So your past form only given fitted. What is the present form of fitted? It's fit. Okay. Past participle form, again it is fitted. Okay. Next word, think. What's the one? Think. Think. What is the past tense? What is the past tense of think? Very good. Thought. Thought. Past participle form also same. Thought. Okay. Next. Taught. Past form given taught. What is the present form of taught? It's very good, Satvik. It's a teach. Okay. Teach. Past participle form again taught. Okay. Next word, build. This one, build. What is the past form of build? Built. Okay. Here past participle form also built. Okay. Next word. So if you complete the first word, shall I erase? First and second word I'm erasing now, so that I can place the remaining words. Okay. Sang. Past tense given sang. What is the present form of sang? Sing. So this is the seventh word. Sing, sang, sung. S-U-N-G, sung. Okay. The next word, bestowed. Past participle form is bestowed. So what is the present form of bestowed? Present and past. Best, bestowed, bestow, bestowed. Okay. So now here bestow. Bestow. Bestow is a present form. Okay. Next, bestow is a past form. Bestowed. Okay, right. Completed, mom? If you complete, respond in the chat box. Make it fast, students. Still we have only 5 minutes. If you completed, I will go for next bit. Just we have 5 minutes now. Completed, shall I erase? Okay. So next bit, spellings given. So they have been the round spelling. We have to correct the words. Okay. Correct the following spellings and write the space given. Correct the following spellings. Following spelling. Correct the following spelling. Okay. So look at here. Numerous. First word. N-U-M-A. N-U-M-A. R-O-U-S. Numerous given here. So is the correct spelling? Numerous. So once again N-U-M-A-R-O-U-S. Numerous. This is the wrong spelling. What we have to correct here? In the place of A, we have to write E. Okay? So now write numerous. N-U-M-E-R-O-U-S. Numerous. What is the correct spelling of numerous? N-U-M-E-R-O-U-S. Numerous. Okay? Second word, hereditary. Hereditary. H-E-R-I-D-I-T-A-R-Y. Hereditary given. So what is the wrong spelling here? Look at your hereditary. H-E-R-I-D-I-T-A-R-Y. So here, in the place of I, we have to write E. Okay? That we have to correct. H-E-R-E-D-I-T-A-R-Y. Hereditary. Okay? Next word. Mansion. M-A-N-T-I-O-N. Mansion. So what is the wrong spelling here? Actually, mansion spelling M-A-N-S-I-O-N, not T-I-O-N. So look at here. M-A-N-S-I-O-N. Mansion. Reveal. R-E-V-E-E-L. Reveal. So what is the wrong spelling here? R-E-V-E-E-L. Reveal given. Actual spelling is R-E-V-E-A-L. Reveal. Okay? R-E-V-E-A-L. Yeah. Rebel. Okay. Right. Next one. Bounties. Bountees. Bounties. What is the correct spelling of bounties? Bounties. Bounties. Okay. Here TES given. So here bounties. Bounties. Next one. Aesthetic. ASTHETIC. Aesthetic. So actually aesthetic spelling starts with A, but here starts with E. Okay. So what is the correct spelling? AES. AES. THETIC. Aesthetic. Okay, here these two spellings we have to change here. E place in the place of E we have to write AE. Okay. Next word. Accompany. ACOMPANY. Accompany. So what is the correct spelling of accompany here? Look at here what which name we have written. ACCOMPANY. Accompany. Okay. This we have to add one more C here. Okay. Next word. Massacre. MASACRE. Massacre. So what is the correct spelling of massacre? MASSACRE. Massacre. So here we have to add one more S, extra S. Okay. Next. Ninth one. Parallel. The next ninth word. Parallel. PARELLAL. Parallel. So what is the correct spelling of parallel here? PARALLEL. Parallel. Here, in the place of E, we have to write A. Okay. Next word. Knighthood. Knighthood. So what is the correct spelling of knighthood? We have to add KN. KNIGHT. Okay. KNIGHTHOOD. Knighthood. Okay. That's the spelling right. Okay, write fast now. We are running out of time. Make it fast. And students, you must complete your worksheet and also write your paid notes now. Okay. Nobody is submitting paid notes. Nobody is coming to school to correct your paid notes. So I did not understand whether you are writing or not. So everyone must complete your paid notes and as well as your worksheet and also complete workbook. Okay. And read the lessons and these bits. Okay. Have you written all? Shall I conclude the class? Okay. Okay, students, I hope you understand today's class. I'm going to end the class here. Thank you.